Most people get personal loan platforms wrong. They think they are all the same, but LendNation takes a slightly different approach. If you're considering borrowing, here's my honest experience with it. LendNation is an online lending platform that offers personal loans with a focus on fast approvals and flexible terms. The surprising truth is how quick the application process is. I submitted my details and received a pre-approval decision within minutes. Most people get this wrong by expecting a long wait or complex documentation. It's actually fairly streamlined. The platform allows you to select loan amounts, repayment periods, and monthly payment options, which makes it easier to find something that fits your budget. Interest rates vary depending on your credit score and income, so it's important to read the fine print before committing. I found that the APR was slightly higher than some traditional banks, but the convenience and speed make up for it if you need funds quickly. Disbursement is another strong point. Once approved, funds can hit your account within 24 hours. Customer support is available via phone and email, though response times can vary. Most people get this wrong. They assume all online lenders have poor support, but I found the team reasonably responsive. In conclusion, LendNation is worth considering if you need a fast, flexible personal loan and are comfortable with slightly higher rates. It's not a replacement for a traditional bank loan, but it's a solid alternative for short-term borrowing needs. Subscribe for more honest reviews of personal loan platforms so you can borrow smartly and safely.